Viva Mkondo Wesizwe, viva! Viva! No, thank you very much, comrades. So we want everyone to stay here. The Commander-in-Chief of the EFF and the President of Mkondo Wesizwe and former President of South Africa is going to address us. Because we can't allow that you have come to show support here today and they don't give you a word of thanks and a word of what is going to be happening going forward. Because we know we are gathered here today because we are united as black people again. We are here to support the Commander-in-Chief who has lost his aunt, Memata Malema. So we are going to go. All of us were waiting for those fighters who are that side, who are still eating, and all of those comrades of Mkondo Wesizwe. So let's stay put. A shining Goma. We are here with Comrade Bongingosi. He's a fighter as well as Mkondo is a fighter, is 2 in 1. So we are going to be together, comrades. Let's be patient. The presidents of the 2 organizations are going to address us. Forward with black unity, forward! Forward! Forward with black unity, forward! Forward! Long live black unity, black live! Long live black unity, long live! Long live! Viva EFF, viva! Viva! Viva Mkondo Wesizwe, viva! Viva! Viva President Jacob Zuma, viva! Viva! Viva President Julius Malema, viva! Viva! Handla!
Awe mama, we mama, we ma. Awe mama, we mama, we ma. Awe mama, tolo ngaka. Angnis, angnis, angnis. Awe mama, we mama, we ma. Awe mama, we mama, we ma. Awe mama, tolo ngaka.
Thank you very much. Mutuabe mukhaufulwa ina no mmotsara a khumole ka ra rena ntwa bolela go tla re khona kwana re amogetse president ya MKP ye ne tlotlisha matsidiso ka mo amalema so rena because ke rena ba re tsidisang ka se rena re bolela so we are going to allow the president ba no le dumedisha